everyone. My name is Art, one series of LeetCode daily challenge. I'm going to solve each and every question every day and going to put on the YouTube. So today is the question, find the original type string 1. It is a easy level question. It is basically on the string question. Alice is attempting to type a specific string on a computer. So she is trying to print some string on her computer. For example, this is the string she's wanted to print on a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. Means here the question says that the allies she's trying to type some string on a computer and she is clumsy, like she is do stuff very randomly. So while typing, like she pressed some keys randomly for too long. Although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she is trying to focus on her typing also. So this is the condition. She is aware that she may still have done this for this at most one. Like she is confident that she's did this thing at most one, not more than one, at most one. You may given a string word. So they given the string what she type on her computer. Represent the final output, display on Alice's screen. Return the total number of possible original string that Alice might have intent, intended to type. So we need to find the combination or the number of possible solutions like she may did. Like this is the string she typed, but we need to find out how many combinations of the original string she have to type. For example, like you string represent final output display. Okay, we have the final output what is display on her screen, and we need to find out the number of possible original string that the allies may have intended to type. So, so like we can see the example here A, B, B, C, C, which we typed here, and the output is 5. Okay. Okay, so as per my combination, we can, so you can see logic here also. So I just remove the logic and explain you what exactly it output and logic will look like in my head, and I am going to explain you too. So for example, A. A is the original word, I think so. Okay. Then B. B is also might be a uh, original. Okay, this is original one. Okay. D. Like it is repeated one. When we long press some keys, it repeats that letter or number multiple times. So we can say that like B is the repeated. This B is a repeated one. Okay, might know. Okay, yes. Okay. After that, okay, it is repeated one. Atmosphere. Okay, we counted as one. Count will be count will be one. Okay. After that, okay, she types C. Okay, this is not repeated. Okay, this is the first original letter C. Okay, this is C. Okay, this one may be repeated. We can increase count by 2. So this is one string, this is one string, this is one string. Okay, after that, this string. This might be chances of this is the original string. May there is a two letter C and she here pressed long, so it bet accidentally type C. Might be a chance. Then it's a 3. Count will be 3. This is also one combination. After that, this C. Okay, this will be also a combination. I'm explaining why. Because while C might be this is the original string. And here she pressed long and printed one more C. So this may be a chance. And like there is a one chance like this is the original string. So given string is the original string. This may be a, so we increment 1 by default because the original string is also a count. So this is my logic. I hope you understand with minimum resources to visualize you the logic. But yeah, this is what it is. Okay, we started with counting number of letters in a given string. Then we simply add one counter to count number of combinations. For loop for iterations. For iteration, we started with obviously first index because we need to check the previous, like it has a duplicate or not. So we have to check with first letter I less than n cause length of the string I plus plus simple for loop. If loop in if loop we just check there is a duplicate or not. If it is duplicate, we simply count, increment the count. So this is our very basic logic. I minus 1. Why I minus 1? Because you need we starting with 1, checking the previous one because I minus 1. Zeroth index. First, this is the first index. This is the previous index. And loops go till the end of the for loop. And we simply increment count and simply return. I am also clumsy because I did such things. Yeah, I admitted it. Count. Now, there is a one catch I am telling I tell at the end of our explanation. So there is whole original string is also a count. So whatever we get a count plus increment one because original string is also a combination. Okay, so we try to check by running. This is where brute force answer and working for us. Submitted it. It's also submitted by me. Yeah, this is successfully working. Yeah, congratulations. We are 82.64